you my at-home exercise. I'm currently 16 weeks pregnant, but this is a workout routine that anybody can do. Of course, if you are pregnant, please consult with your doctor before implementing any new exercise routines. So just get ready. I'm going to use my kettlebell and just show you a few exercises you can perform at home with the kettlebell. In my routine is going to be a goblet squat. I'm using the kettlebell as a form of resistance. This is a 15-pound kettlebell. So what I'm going to do is just place it closer to my chest. My shoulders aren't tense, they're relaxed. Retract it, chest is up, go down to that squat. Pretending as if I'm sitting on something, and I come back up, squeeze the glutes at the top, and then perform 10 to 15 reps of the goblet squats. The whole entire time I'm being mindful of my form at the top, and I'm being mindful of not tensing up. Often people tend to go like this to overcompensate for the lack of upper body strength, but it's important to retract your shoulders, keep them back and down, chest is up. There you go, that's the guy. It's going to be alternating lunges with a shoulder press. Now this is not a dangerous move for me because I was active previously. I have the background of being a bodybuilder. I've built my endurance and stamina previously to being pregnant. I don't have much restrictions when it comes to exercising, but for those of you who are trying to implement a new routine, and if you are pregnant, please consult with your doctor. So the weight is behind my wrist. My wrist is facing forward. When I come down into that lunge, the back leg goes down. I'm looking for a 90-degree angle, making sure that both feet right here, 90 degrees, not up here, down here. Now come up, press it. Or to make it more challenging, when I come down, press up as I come down. This is challenging. Stability, mobility, stamina, and endurance all at once while building muscle. All right, switch of the leg. Same thing goes. Slight lean forward. Press up when you come down. Control the weight. I keep my other arm out for balance. Inhale, exhale. This looks like a simple exercise, but it's very challenging. And that's another exercise. You want to build glutes, core strength, and balance, this is a great way to do it. And upper body strength. Next favorite exercise routine is going to be a kettlebell swing. Most people tend to do this exercise wrong because they do a squat motion. The kettlebell swing is no squatting, it's a slight bend in the knee, but it's not quite a squat. It's more so like a hip hinge. Hip hinging is when you flex your hips. It's not a squat. Squat is when you come all the way down. Here, no. So you're gonna use your hips to power the movement. Chest is up, shoulders retracted. Don't tense your shoulders. Slight bend in the knee, as I mentioned, hip hinge, weight comes in between your legs. Use your hips to power the movement. As you come down, control it. Inhale, exhale. Keeping your shoulders retracted at the same time. Often when people perform this exercise, when they get tired, they tend to tense up and they go like this to try to overcompensate. Then the weight starts to carry them over. Then you see the weight goes underneath their leg. That's wrong. Chest is upright, shoulders retracted. You have to control it the whole entire time. Squeeze the glutes when you perform this. You need to build your lower body, your glutes, and also tone your arms, your shoulders. Is going to be an upright row with a squat. All right, so for the upright row movement, chest is upright, your shoulders, this is what my shoulders would look like when I'm in a neutral position, but when I'm getting ready to retract my shoulders, I bring it back and then down. This locks and secures my shoulders to prevent any type of injury. Now, when I come up, elbows point up to the sky. When I come down, I go into that squat. Elbows up to the sky, come down, go straight into that squat. Inhale, exhale. This is a great way to build a little body if you're at home, don't have time to go to the gym, you want to build your glutes while performing the exercise routine. Burn more calories, you're burning fat, and you're building muscle at the same time. As women, we can't bulk up. We can only tone and define our feminine curvature. That's about it. Most people, well, the feminine people, some females who are in the group of bodybuilding, some females that you see that are actual in the category of bodybuilding, because bodybuilding has multiple categories. You have the really slim individual and it goes up to bodybuilding. Bodybuilding females take hormones, growth hormones, some of them take steroids, things like that, so that they can bulk up and look very defined for that category. Naturally, us as women, we don't have that much testosterone, so there's absolutely no way that we can bulk and become that huge without some type of external help. The next exercise routine I'm going to show you is going to be a plank to challenge that core. So the plank is just making sure that your arms are right underneath your shoulder joint, your wrists are facing forward. Often people turn their wrist out to the side. That's a bad habit. Holding your wrist out to the side develops carpal tunnel over a long period of time. So we want to make sure that our form is correct. Hands facing forward. Your arms are right underneath your shoulder joint. You can either stay right here. Hips don't come up here. Hips aren't down here. Your hips are neutral right there. That way you can get your core to be engaged while you're performing a plank. Or another way to do that is that to stay on your forearms, hands flat on the floor. You can keep your hands closed, balled into a fist, and be right here. Breathe in, inhale, exhale. I like to cross my hands at the front and rotate from side to side. And that is working your oblique, which is the side of your stomach. Donkey kicks. I'm not going to use the kettlebell for this one. Just going to show you exactly how to also build your glutes while staying at home. So your arms right underneath your shoulder joint, your wrists are facing forward, palms are facing forward, right? Come up. And just bring that leg, squeeze the glute at the top, come back down. If you really want to get a deeper exercise, extend that leg, come up, and then come back down. What some people tend to like to do is curtsy. Bring it up and out to the side. This incorporates the hips. Bring it up, squeezing that glute, or if you want to, keep that leg flexed, come up, squeeze that glute that way, or you can extend the leg again, bring it up, cross, back up, down, up, cross, back up, down. And that's a great way to do it. Most people tend to shift their weight more on one side and then they do this thing. So you have to stay upright the whole entire time in order to get the best out of this exercise. All right? Ooh. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. As a matter of fact, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up. Give us a thumbs up right now. Hit that notification bell right now. Don't forget, guys, I love you. Stay tuned. See you next time. Take care.